Good Tuesday, everyone. Looking at our daily weather map for today, we see lots of showers across the southeast United States. Those will stay south of Tennessee generally. Some of the southernmost counties might get on a sprinkle or a shower, but I think those will stay south of the plateau. We do see snowflakes flying up around the Great Lakes region, and then more snowflakes flying back across the Pacific Northwest, where some of the higher elevations could get lots of heavy snow. That's ahead of our next big frontal system that'll be blowing in here Thursday night. Looking at our 5-day forecast Tuesday, mid 40s today. We'll have some sun and clouds, with a lot of clouds. Same thing for tomorrow, it looks like, but we'll at least warm into the mid to upper 40s both Wednesday and Thursday. A few rain showers move in Wednesday night, and then those rain showers increase in coverage as we go through the day on Thursday. Rain chances at 70%. Arctic front comes through Thursday night somewhere between 9 p.m. and 3 a.m. It's looking like right now it's going to be right in the middle of that spot. Then temperatures will drop like a rock down to around 3 by Friday morning. With light snow, snow flurries, and snow showers, light snow accumulation is possible, and that could make for some very hazardous roadways, especially any water that's on the road from previous rainfall that day will freeze almost immediately after the front goes through. Friday, we spend the day in the single digits under windy conditions. We got winds coming in Thursday night and Friday, gusting 25 to 30 miles an hour. Some isolated areas could have wind gusts to 35 miles per hour, sending wind chill factors or the feels like temperature plummeting well below zero. Friday night continued breezy to windy, 5 below zero. Saturday high of 13, and then Saturday night 0. Changes since the last forecast. Temps have trended colder for both Thursday and Friday. For that Thursday night temperature drop behind the Arctic front, it looks like we're going to go down almost drop down to 0 by Friday morning. Snowfall amounts are trending lower. Confidence in 1 inch or less is very high. It's still possible to get 1 to 2 inches, but confidence in that is getting lower by the minute. Temps on Friday expected to be in the single digits for highs, with gusty northwest winds, dangerously cold conditions. And the National Weather Service will be issuing wind chill advisories for Thursday night through Friday for feels like temperatures or that wind chill factor that could go well below 0, and you're only outside for a short period of time, you could be suffering from frostbite on any exposed areas of your skin. So we'll be very mindful of that. And on this day in history, in 1836, a big cold wave, they called it, occurred in central Illinois. Front blew through with 70-mile-per-hour winds at noon, dropping the temperature from 40 degrees to 0 in a matter of minutes, which is very similar to what this Arctic front on Thursday is doing. Many settlers froze to death, and folklore told of chickens frozen in their tracks and men frozen in their saddles. So that is an interesting situation, and it's interesting that we're having about the same situation this time in 2022. Well, you folks have a wonderful Tuesday, and keep looking up. For even more weather information, just keep reading along the blog at meteorologistsmart.com, and I'll have a special update again this evening just to give you an update on snowfall amounts, how cold the cold air is going to be, timing of that Arctic front, which is very critical. We desperately need to know exactly when that's going to come through, because that's when things are going to quickly change. You folks just keep it right here to meteorologistsmart.com.